Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the colors in Bootstrap. First thing, of course, as always, insert your Bootstrap, your HTML code, okay? Just copy and paste it from the description or have your links yourself, okay? Now, we are going to start by the text colors. Text colors have different names, right? So the muted, it's kinda a gray one. The primary, it's blue. The success is green. The info, where is the info? The info is a lighter blue, a different blue. The warning, yellow. The danger, red. The secondary, gray. The dark, it's dark gray. The body, the photo body color of the black. Now the text light and the text white is a little hard to see in a wider background. If you just put body style background color, this one, yes, you can now see the two lighter colors. Now if we just change it, instead of paragraphs, we use it in A's, in anchors, in hyperlinks, it also works, okay? And you still have it in here with the same colors as before, okay? Where's the last one? I forgot it. We have the lighter ones on, okay. So, if you put your mouse over it, you will have the underlink in the over. So on over it will underline, right? If you click it, wait, if you click, it's not working, okay, no problem. But so it only has over, the underline in over on over, okay, and the over it's the same color as the own class, of course. Now, if you add 50% opacity on a white background, okay, you will be able to see it differently, okay, in the white as well. If you want to change the opacity, you just put an anything and a 50 on it. I don't know if, let me see if I can just put every number from 0 to 100. 20. Let me see. No, it only works with 50. Okay, can put a 50 opacity. I don't really know in which occasions it would be good to use it, but you can put 50 opacity in any text in Bootstrap. Last one is the background, right? The background class. The background primary leave a blue background with by default a black text, but if you put another class called text white, it will be white. You see, every single one has the text white excepting the background white, of course. You can also change the text color. If you imagine the first one, the primary, you can put danger, right? Just be red. It makes sense, right? The background, change the background. The text, change the text color. There's a lot of it. If you want to check, of course, documentation online, you can go search for it. Click in this video, in that video. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon.